there, Beautyistic family! If you're a fan of easy-to-use eyeshadow with that perfect balance of smooth texture and long-lasting wear, today's review is one you won't want to miss. We're diving into the Revlon Crème Eyeshadow Palette in the shade 710, Not Just Nudes. Let's break it down and see if this creamy, pigmented palette lives up to the hype. This eyeshadow palette comes with a range of shades designed to give you everything from subtle day looks to more dramatic evening glam. It features a combination of matte and shimmer finishes that glide on effortlessly and promise to stay put without creasing, a must-have for those long days or nights. The formula is ophthalmologist-tested, so it's safe for sensitive eyes, which is a big plus if you're someone who struggles with irritation or discomfort. I'm always looking for eyeshadows that can go from subtle to statement, and this palette delivers with sheer yet buildable colors. The textures are creamy and blendable, making it super easy to layer shades for depth and dimension. The best part? You don't need to worry about that midday crease. This one holds its ground. Let's talk about real-life testing. I used the palette during a full day out, and I was really impressed with how easily the shades blended, even with a quick application. I went for a neutral look with the matte shades in the crease and a pop of shimmer on the lid, and it stayed flawless without any touch-ups. The shades feel lightweight on the eyes, but they pack enough pigment to make a statement without being overwhelming. When it comes to pros, the formula is definitely a highlight. It's smooth, lightweight, and it offers a decent range of shades that you can mix and match for different occasions. Plus, the fact that it's ophthalmologist-tested means it's safe for those with sensitive eyes, which adds a lot of value for people who need to be extra careful with their makeup products. On the downside, I wish the palette included more depth in terms of variety. While the shades are lovely, if you're someone who likes to experiment with bold, colorful eyeshadows, this might feel a bit too neutral. The size of the pans is a little smaller than some other palettes I've tried, but that's a minor detail considering how compact it is overall. Now let's talk value for money. The price point feels fair for the quality you get. Given that it's from Revlon, a trusted drugstore brand, I'd say you're getting good quality without breaking the bank. The colors are pigmented, blend well, and last for hours, so in my opinion, it's worth the investment if you're looking for a versatile, everyday palette. If you're considering other eyeshadow palettes, you might find similar options at a similar price point, but Revlon does have a solid reputation for delivering great results at an affordable price. However, if you're into a more expansive color range or ultra-vibrant shades, you might want to check out other high-end palettes like those from Urban Decay or Anastasia Beverly Hills, but they come at a higher cost. The build quality of this palette is pretty standard for a drugstore product. The compact is sturdy and easy to travel with, so you won't have to worry about it breaking apart in your bag. Plus, the shades perform well over time. I didn't experience any fading or patchiness throughout the day, which is always a win when it comes to creamy eyeshadows. As for customer support, Revlon's reputation speaks for itself, and although I didn't need to reach out for any issues, they're known for providing responsive service if you do need assistance. In terms of updates, there haven't been any noticeable changes to this particular palette, and that's perfectly fine. Sometimes, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. If you're on the lookout for a more budget-friendly option, you might want to check out the Maybelline Color Tattoo Cream eyeshadows, which are similar in texture and performance, but come at a slightly lower price point. Both offer great pigmentation and staying power, though Maybelline doesn't quite have the same range of neutral tones as Revlon's palette. In summary, the Revlon Crème Eyeshadow Palette in Not Just Nudes is a solid choice if you're in the market for an easy-to-use, long-lasting, and buildable palette for everyday looks. It's great for those who prefer neutral, wearable shades and want a product that delivers smooth, crease-resistant wear. If you're someone who loves a little more boldness or variety in your eyeshadow, though, this might feel a little too limited. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in to Beautyistic, and until next time, Stay beautiful inside and out. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts.